Want to keep your Samsung S8 S25 data safe? Backing up to a PC or Mac protects your files from crashes or malware. Here are 6 simple ways to do it. Solution 1. How to back up Galaxy S8, S23, S24, S25 to computer with Android backup and restore one-click way closing parenthesis .as an exclusive program designed to back up and restore Android data. I am sure that Mobikin Backup Manager for Android, Windows, Mac is what you really want. Step 1. Get started with Android backup and restore. First of all, you should download and install Mobikin Backup Manager for Android on your computer. Launch it and connect your Android phone to the same computer via USB. Then, you will see such a user interface on screen. Step 2. Select the files for backup. When the Samsung Galaxy S8 is detected successfully, give it a click on Backup from the main interface to proceed. As you can see, all supported data types are listed here. Just tick off the file types that you wish to back up. Step 3. Start to back up Samsung Galaxy S8. If you want to back up all the data, you can simply tick the box before name to select all file types at once. Click Browser to specify a location to save the backup files and go with Backup. Restore backup data if needed. If you want to restore the data from the backup to your Samsung Galaxy S8 or other Android phone, you can also draw support from the Android Backup and Restore tool. What you should do is click on the Restore option. Select the backup files you want to restore from. Solution 2. How to back up Galaxy S8 to computer with Assistant for Android. Simply put, Mobikin Assistant for Android or Assistant for Android Mac version is a professional backup program specifically designed for Android users and is hence perfect for your Samsung Galaxy S8. Step 1. Connecting your Samsung phone to computer. After you have installed the Assistant for Android on your computer, launch it and connect your Samsung device to the computer either through USB cable or through Wi-Fi. For connecting via Wi-Fi, you should download APK file first. Step 2. Go to Super Toolkit. Turn to the top menu to click the Super Toolkit option. Then, you will see there is a backup option. Just click it, and all the contents on your Samsung Galaxy S9, S8 that can be backed up are listed here. Step 3. Backup Galaxy S8 to computer with one click. Select the files you want to transfer from the connected Samsung Galaxy S8. By ticking off the checkbox in front of them, choose the path where you want to place your backup files and click Backup. Solution 3. How to back up Samsung on computer with Doctor for Android. Transferring files from Samsung Galaxy to computer for backup can also be realized by using the Mobikin Doctor for Android Mac version is available. Step 1. Launch the program and connect phone. Download and install this program on your computer. Launch it and connect your Samsung phone to the computer via USB cable. Once connected, it will be detected by the program and shows you an interface like the picture below. Step 2. Select Data to Backup. Doctor for Android will scan the connected Samsung phone and find out all files you can recover. You can choose file types from the left side window and preview detailed files on the right side window. Solution 4. Backing up Samsung Galaxy by using Samsung Kies. Step 1. Connect your Samsung S8 to the computer via USB and open Kies. Select Backup and Restore. Step 2. Choose Data Backup. Pick the data categories and click Backup to save them to your PC. Solution 5. How to back up Samsung Galaxy S8 with Samsung Cloud. Step 1. Go to Settings, Cloud and Accounts, Samsung Cloud. Step 2. Select Backup Settings. Enable Auto Backup and choose Data Types. Step 3. Tap Backup Now to start the backup. Solution 6. How to back up my Samsung phone to my computer using Google account. Step 1. Go to Settings, Backup and reset Google account and enable Backup My Data and Automatic Restore. Step 2. Tap Backup Account to select or add an account for backup.